Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're checking out the best budget action cameras that capture amazing footage without costing a fortune. Whether you're into extreme sports, travel vlogging, or just want to record your adventures, these affordable cameras offer great performance and features. We'll review the top models, their standout specs, and why they're perfect for capturing action on a budget. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to film your next adventure without breaking the bank, let's get started. Number 5. Akaso Brave 4 Pro 4K 30fps Action Camera. Are you an adventure seeker looking for a high-quality action camera that can withstand extreme conditions while capturing professional-level footage? The Akaso Brave 4 Pro 4K 30fps Action Camera is a versatile and robust choice that promises excellent video and photo quality, even in the harshest environments. With features like dual displays, 4K video recording, a waterproof case, and advanced stabilization, the Brave 4 Pro is designed to deliver impressive performance, whether you're surfing, hiking, or diving. Dual display design. The Akaso Brave 4 Pro features an innovative dual display system that allows you to easily switch between a front-facing screen for selfies and a 2-inch back touchscreen for enhanced control. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 3 Standard Combo. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is the perfect companion for adventurers and vloggers. With advanced features like 4K HDR video, 10-bit color depth, and horizon steady stabilization, this action camera offers professional-grade footage in any environment. Capture stunning, vivid visuals with over 1 billion colors. HDR video provides exceptional clarity even in high-contrast scenes, making your videos pop with vibrant yet natural details. Unmatched stability with horizon steady. No matter how extreme your adventures get, whether you're skiing, mountain biking, or skydiving, horizon steady ensures smooth, level footage for cinematic results. Durable design for extreme conditions. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is designed to endure. With up to 160 minutes of battery life, it can record continuously for 150 minutes in temperatures as low as -20 degrees C, -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for both hot and cold environments. Waterproof without accessories. Dive as deep as 16 meters with this underwater action camera without needing extra accessories. Perfect for snorkeling, diving, and underwater exploration. Quick and easy mounting. Number 3. Insta360 X3. The ultimate waterproof 360 action camera for 5.7K video and 72 megapixel photos. The Insta360 X3 is redefining the action camera experience with its innovative 360-degree capture, dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors, and a host of professional-grade features. Whether you're vlogging, creating cinematic shots, or just capturing epic adventures, this waterproof 360 action camera offers unmatched versatility. 5.7K 360 active HDR video with AI-powered reframing. Capture everything around you in stunning 5.7K 360 active HDR video. With the AI-powered Insta360 app, you can easily reframe and choose the best angles after shooting, ensuring you never miss a shot. Dual 1/2-inch 48-megapixel sensors for high-quality photos and video. With upgraded 48-megapixel sensors, the Insta360 X3 delivers incredible detail in every frame, even in low-light conditions. Capture stunning 72 megapixel 360-degree photos, 8K time-lapses, and more for ultimate creative freedom. 4K single-lens mode for wide-angle shots. Want traditional action cam footage? The 4K single-lens mode lets you capture ultra-sharp video at 4K 30fps or a super-wide 170-degree field of view with 2.7K max view. DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 raises the bar for action cameras, combining exceptional 4K video resolution, a large 1.3-inch sensor, and advanced stabilization. Whether you're capturing adventures in low light or extreme conditions, this action camera is designed for travelers, athletes, and vloggers looking for unparalleled performance. 1.3-inch sensor for superior low-light performance. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is equipped with a large 1.3-inch sensor, allowing it to capture stunning clarity in both bright and dimly lit environments. Whether you're shooting during the golden hour or in low-light settings, every moment is captured in sharp detail. 10-bit and D-Log-M color for vivid, true-to-life imagery. With 10-bit color and D-Log-M color modes, your videos and photos will showcase vivid, true-to-life colors. The camera captures the subtle shifts in light and color, Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the most powerful action camera yet, featuring an advanced image sensor, 5.3K Ultra HD video, and industry-leading stabilization. Whether you're an adventurer, vlogger, or professional filmmaker, the Hero 11 Black is designed to deliver exceptional performance in any environment. Revolutionary 1.9-inch image sensor. The GoPro Hero 11 Black comes with an all-new 1.9-inch image sensor that offers the most expansive field of view ever seen on a Hero camera. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.